often. There's people that love to do that if you find the right person.
There is, and they'll help you build those systems. So that's what I tell people too. So when you get that administrator, whatever you're telling them to do, have them document, record a video, get your sheets together, make your list. So now as you grow the organization, those systems are created for each of the positions. And then back to the leverage, and outsourcing, a company like yours, I've sent, I don't know how many people to you, because if you're a sole operator, you take a huge load off of somebody. Somebody could easily scale to the 7 and 8 figure level with your organization because you do what you do all day, every day. So as a leader, delegator, motivator, I want to find the best people doing what they do the best. So when you have an organization like yours that handles everything from a marketing to a lead qualification and KPI documentation standpoint, man, why would I even want to mess with that when I'm in the initial stages? I can just outsource it to you, let you handle it, help you get better at what you do. So my job as a leader is to even help you. You're a subcontractor. So in my business, I worked with my subcontractors to help them become more efficient. So I would coach them in their businesses to help them become more efficient so they can make more money, which ultimately is going to help me make more money, just like in your organization. The more efficient you make your people, the better they are. The more you develop and coach them up, the better the organization as a whole is going to do. So my goal has always been, how can I help everybody in my organization make as much money as they possibly can, as efficiently as they possibly can? And a lot of times that requires outsourcing and looking at some of these tasks that even at some point your administrator, once they get bogged down to a point, it's like, okay, same thing with them. What is it that you do over and over and over that we can outsource, that somebody else would be better off doing, so you can focus on the high level stuff that's bringing in the dollars? So you look at that at every level of your organization. That's what the billionaires do. That's what the $100 million guys do. And that's what the $10 million people do when they came from $1 million.